Hey, is my bike ready?
No, Cam hurt his back again. You just gotta change the oil.
All right, no worries. I'll just do it. I'll do it myself.
Oh, you actually did it? I thought you were joking.
Yeah, mate. The new Honda 3-in-1 oil change kit. Anyone can do it. Just maybe not Jet. What'd he say?